Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of chard. If you're looking to add a burst of nutrients and a splash of color to your plate, chard is the green superhero you've been waiting for. From supporting bone health to boosting your immune system, this leafy gem has a plethora of health benefits that we can't wait to share with you. So grab a seat, your favorite mug of green tea, and let's embark on a journey through the verdant landscape of chard. We're about to unveil the secrets to a healthier, happier you with the amazing health benefits of chard. Let's get started. Firstly, maintaining a healthy heart is a cornerstone of overall well-being, and incorporating chard into your diet can be a smart step toward cardiovascular wellness. It's an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that plays a pivotal role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps balance the sodium levels in the body, promoting healthy blood pressure levels and reducing the risk of hypertension, a key risk factor for heart disease. Magnesium, another essential mineral found in chard, is crucial for maintaining proper heart rhythm and muscle function. It aids in preventing irregular heartbeats and supports the relaxation and contraction of the heart muscles. Chard is a fiber-rich vegetable, and dietary fiber is known to help manage cholesterol levels. By lowering LDL cholesterol, fiber contributes to a reduced risk of atherosclerosis and coronary artery disease. Chard is packed with antioxidants, including beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help combat inflammation, a common factor in heart disease. Reducing inflammation in the arteries and blood vessels promotes better heart health. It's also abundant in vitamin K, a nutrient important for arterial health. Vitamin K helps prevent calcification of arteries, ensuring they remain flexible and capable of efficiently transporting blood throughout the body. Additionally, building and maintaining strong bones is vital for an active and healthy lifestyle. As we mentioned before, chard is a powerhouse of vitamin K, a key nutrient essential for bone health. Vitamin K is involved in bone metabolism and helps in the absorption of calcium, which is a fundamental mineral for bone strength and density. While chard contains calcium, it's important to note that it also contains oxalates, which can hinder calcium absorption. However, when included as part of a varied diet, chard can still contribute to your overall calcium intake, which is crucial for bone health. Chard contains magnesium, a mineral that works synergistically with calcium to support bone density and structure. Magnesium is necessary for converting vitamin D into its active form, which is essential for calcium absorption. It also contains nutrients like vitamin C, which is important for collagen synthesis. Collagen is a key component of bones, providing structure and strength. What's more, chard has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels when consumed. Foods with a low GI are beneficial for individuals aiming to manage their blood sugar levels. Chard is rich in dietary fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract. This slower absorption helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar, promoting steadier levels over time. Including chard in a balanced meal, along with lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains, can help balance blood sugar levels by providing a mix of macronutrients that are digested more slowly. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Chard is a great source of vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for eye health. Vitamin A plays a significant role in maintaining good vision, particularly in low light conditions. It supports the health of the retina and aids in preventing night blindness. Chard contains beta-carotene, a type of carotenoid that the body can convert into vitamin A. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two potent antioxidants that are essential for eye health. These compounds accumulate in the retina and help protect the eyes from harmful light and oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of age-related eye conditions. But wait, there is more. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is key to overall well-being, and chard can play a role in promoting digestive health. It's abundant in dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive tract. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber in chard aids in maintaining a healthy digestive rhythm by regulating bowel movements. This can help prevent digestive issues such as constipation or diarrhea. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiota is crucial for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall digestive wellness. Moreover, chard contains phytonutrients with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body and potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases related to inflammation. Lastly, chard is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, A, K, and various B vitamins. These nutrients are crucial for supporting a healthy immune system and overall well-being. It contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function by aiding in the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting off infections and illnesses. It's also a good source of folate, which is important for the production and maturation of immune cells. Folate deficiency can impair immune responses, making chard a valuable addition to your diet. There you have it, folks. The vibrant journey through the verdant world of chard, a true green superhero brimming with a multitude of health benefits. Here's to your well-being and a life filled with the nourishing benefits of chard. Stay green, stay healthy, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.